Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at the 3-in-1 fast wireless charger. You can charge up your wireless charging phone, wireless charging earbuds, or an Apple Watch. It works perfectly with basically whatever I just said. And these are really cool because it has a magnetic click, it's safe and convenient. Helps with cable management. Like I said, it's 3-in-1. Some contact information and an image compatible with. You can move them completely wherever you want. I do recommend, but if you don't want that, you can do that as well. I have the product name. This is the wireless charging black version. It's a input of 5 volts, 3 amps, at a max of 12 volts, 1.5 amps. Frequency is 110 to 205 kilohertz. Charging distance is 4 to 10 meters. Conversion is 72%. The package includes fast wireless charging stand, the Apple Watch and AirPod holder, their Type-C cable, and you get 2 of those, a user manual, and a quick charge 3.0 adapter. By the way, this retails for about $30 on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description. Let's get into it. Alright, so here it is. First we have the power adapter. So like I mentioned, this is a 3.0 power adapter, and this will help with the device. You can use it if you want. You don't have to if you don't want to. Right here we have the Apple Watch little holder. See? So your Apple Watch just rests right there. On the bottom you have the contact pins for the magnetic charging. On the right side you have a Type-C. If you don't want to charge that on the stand, you can just move this away and have it plugged in, and it's really cool. On the back you have a little compartment to be able to store the cable for the Apple Watch, and then you have a USB port in the inside. So really good cable management. Next we have the wireless charging little dock. As you can see, it has a fast charger here. This is made of all polycarbonate. It has a gloss finish as well as some matte surfaces. Rubber pad right here, so it'll help stay. This does have rubber feet as well. This charges at 15 watts max, so if your device supports that, it'll charge that fast. I have the USB Type-C port for the charging, the contact pins for magnetic. This does include 2 USB Type-C to USB-A cables. That will help with the fast charging, and the reason it has 2 is, I'll show that in a minute, but it's really useful. Okay. Make a review, you get $20 gift card with very simple instructions on how to set it up. Last you have the other set for the charging. This one charges also at 15 watts maximum, has 4 rubber feet. You have the additional charging port, you have the 4 contact pins for magnetic. Top, you have the AirPod charging slot. You can use the AirPod with wireless charging or any earbuds with wireless charging, or you can charge an additional phone right here if you choose to do so. Here is where the Apple Watch goes, separated like so. You can have them like that, and they have their additional USB Type-C ports. So as you can see, I could plug this in a completely different location. I could plug this one in a completely different location, So that's really cool. So if you really don't want them all to be bundled up together, you can make them all separately, which is really cool. If you want to use multiple, you're going to have to get multiple USB ports with the capability of quick charging. Apple Watch goes magnetically, really is decently strong. It's not strong enough to where you're able to lift it completely. You are able to, but not with one hand. As you can see, if I let it go, it falls. This one is not the same thing, but it's cool because you could just easily take it off, and then you can go, you charge your phone here, earbuds here, phone here, Apple Watch there. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the Apple Watch. We're gonna put the little cables through it. We're gonna do a time lapse, and then I'm gonna go and show you the setup where we're gonna put it, charging it, and then the use of it, and then whether or not you should buy it or not. Alright, we got the cable in, and it's pretty neat because, you know, have it in. Alright, it's all the way in. We could go and close it now. There we go. And as you can see, it's just really way better. I'm gonna have to push this down a little bit more to make it flush. Then you could just rest it right there, and then put your Apple Watch down. Now we're gonna go to test the charge. Really tell on camera, but it is lighting up green. and it did turn on because this was dead, so I could just slap it on like that. So that works good. But we're gonna go ahead and try out the wireless charging for this part. So we're gonna go ahead and, oh, there we go, works. As you can see, they're charging. The LED indicator is on. It works perfectly. Once I take this off, I lose the charge and it stops. So that's really cool. So yeah, amazing product. It works flawlessly. I can just put my Apple Watch there, it'll charge, and I know it will charge because, yeah, it charges perfectly. This charges perfectly, and I can put that there. It'll charge it as well. It's not plugged in, like I said, so. But I did test it out with the phone, and it does work. It's way less than a MagSafe charger, and you get more flexibility with it conveniently with less cables. The video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.